Did you know that you can earn extra money from your subscribers and your viewers with super things? I'm going to show you it step by step how to enable it super fast. Here we are in my YouTube Studio dashboard, and I'm going to go to the left to monetization. Then if you go over under channel monetization, there's this different tabs. So you have overview, ads, merchandise, membership, supers, and giving. You're going to go to supers. And over here on the right, you're going to see super chat, super stickers, and super thanks. So it's just a toggle, and you're just going to click it. And then it says super thanks now enabled. And there we are. There is the super thanks. And if you look over here, you can get a little bit more information on supers, what it includes, all of the different things that you can do with supers, super chat, and now super thanks, which is so helpful, and some additional ways that your viewers can support you financially.